Today, traders shifted their attention to geopolitical news. They voiced concerns after the UK Parliament rejected the draft text of a Brexit agreement with the European Union. So risk appetite starts fading away. What's more, investors are closely watching the news on Hong Kong clashes. The Chinese authorities promised to stop the anti-government protests as soon as possible. Hong Kong has been rocked by mass demonstration over the last 7 months. The unrest was triggered by proposed extradition bill legislation. The law would allow the authorities of China and Taiwan to detain and to extradite the suspects who are hiding from prosecution by the law in Hong Kong. Hong Kong residents see the law as a threat to their autonomy and civil rights. Moreover, reportedly, China is planning to replace Hong Kong's Carrie as a chief executive. Against this background, the demand for safe haven assets, including the Japanese yen, is growing. The dollar-yen pair is advancing to the level of 108.30. However, it's unable to break below yet. For now, the pair is being held back from a sharper drop amid hopes for progress in the US-China trade talks. Meanwhile, Donald Trump is full of optimism. Once again, he stressed that the parties were making headway in negotiations. He also added that China started buying American agricultural products. Judging by the dynamics of the Australian dollar, risk-aversion sentiment is still dominating the market. At the end of today's Asian session, the AUD USD pair fell by 20 pips to the level of 0.6840. The New Zealand dollar, on the contrary, asserts strength. The NZD USD pair is trading within the average values of this week, near the level of 0.6400. The Kiwi was supported by upbeat data on the trade balance. In September, the trade deficit narrowed. That's all for now. I hope you will get back to our channel in a couple of hours. Stay tuned with us.